I will teach you how to use Cnfans. We will go through the process of signing up and getting $129 in shipping coupons, how to navigate through the website. I will explain the important pages, how to buy the products via either Spreadsheet or Yupoo, and how to add money to the website, how to see quality check photos of product you bought, and how to ship parcels to your home, and how to declare. Let's get straight to the video. Free coupons and sign up. First of all, you can check my Linktree in description to see the important links. My Spreadsheet, Cnfans sign up link for $329 in shipping coupons, and my Rep Discord server that you can join if you need some more help. Press the second link on my Linktree to make account first. Enter your email address and password that you want to use on the website. Now you need to confirm your email. You should get mail with verification link that you need to press. So now we have the account and all of the coupons are added. Website navigation. When it comes to the website navigation, it's quite simple. That's the home page. You can paste links into the search bar and buy them. User page. Here you can see how much money you have and all of the coupons that can be used. Cart. In here you will have products that you have previously added to your cart. Orders. On this page you will have information about products that you've bought. And quality check pictures if they have arrived to the warehouse. Warehouse. If you have products in the warehouse, then you will be able to select them and ship them out to your address. Parcel. Here you can see all parcels that you have ever shipped on your account. Tracking numbers, weight, and much more. How to buy. Spreadsheet, Yupoo, and raw links. Now I can show you how to add balance and how you can buy products. Add balance. In the user center under your balance, you will have a top-up button. Enter the amount of Chinese yuan you want to add. You will have USD value under. Choose the method you want to top up balance and enter your details. If everything is done correctly, money should appear in balance under a user center category. Spreadsheet. If you want to purchase goods via my spreadsheet, then it's pretty simple. On top you have categories that you can use if you are on your computer. They don't work on mobile. Here you can see product name, image, product price in Chinese yuan and USD, and link that you can press to buy a product. Yupoo. If you want to use Yupoo to buy products, then you can check out my trusted seller list that currently has 25 sellers there. After you enter Yupoo, you can browse images and products a seller is selling. After you find something you like, press on the image and copy the link from the product description. Paste it into Cnfans search bar and press search. On this product page on Cnfans, you can choose the product color and size. Then agree to their rules and press buy now. Here you can write in your country, accept their services and terms, and proceed to checkout. Use your balance that you have already added and press pay. Warehouse shipping and quality check pictures. After a couple of days, the product should arrive at the warehouse. Then you will be able to see quality check pictures and either send the product out or refund it if you didn't like something. Shipping process and declare. To ship out your parcel, you need to enter warehouse and select products you want to ship. Add in your shipping address details so Cnfans can ship the parcel to your home. You can add extra packaging options, but they cost extra money, so I always ignore them. Then you can select the shipping line that you want to use. Now, when it comes to declaring the parcel, I would say it's the best option to let Cnfans declare for you. But if you want to see recommended amount to some other countries, then you have the list on screen right now of what the community says works the best for them. Around 2 days after you paid for the shipping, you should receive tracking number in the parcel page on Cnfans. I recommend pasting it to the website 17 track to get the most accurate updates. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I will try to answer all of them. If you want to support my channel growth, remember to sign up through my link. It helps me a lot. Thank you and I hope you have a nice day.